This is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Today I'm recording this video much earlier. You know what is the reason. Today, Talaivar Rajinikanth new movie is being released, Vettayan. So today evening I'm going for that movie. So that's why I'm recording this video much earlier. So market consolidated once again. And yesterday, the Nifty fell nearly 300 points from intraday high to low. And then in the last half an hour, there was some recovery. And same thing today also. Market went higher. Nifty fell 150 points from intraday high to low. And then there was some recovery, after 315 like that. So this shows that, the FII selling is not yet over. So, I may remember 1 or 2 years before, also they continuously selling. Even the RBI Deputy Governor came out with a white paper saying that, this can be a potential black swan event. But luckily, the retail people came and saved the market. And I think now also that's going to happen. So, IT stocks fell ahead of TCS results. I think today TCS, Infosys, I think many IT stocks fell. And the disturbing thing is that, TCS fell more than 100 rupees from intraday high to low. I think around 2:45, 3 o'clock, I think there was some sudden selling of about 50 rupees in TCS and then it equally recovered. So the markets will be keenly waiting for the results. I think the results will be coming around 5:30 p.m. today. But banks have done exceedingly well. Today, the Bank Nifty, it was a terrible rally. At some point of time, it was up more than 600 points. HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, and Kotak Bank. When was the last time you have seen 3 banks contributing the highest number of points in the top 3? And today, these 3 banks are the top contributors for Nifty. And together, they have contributed for about 80 points for Nifty. Broader markets underperformed, however, but India VIX has fallen more than 4%. So the VIX is going down. So that is really something very good. And option premiums are also coming down proportionally because of the VIX. FII data is still not out because I'm just recording it much earlier. So FII data is not expected. But I told you day before yesterday, I think our yesterday pre-market, Nifty is expected to settle down between 24,800 and 25,200. But yet yesterday the intraday it went above 25,200 but came down close below that. So today it is disappointing to see that once again Nifty is closing around 25,000. Now look at yesterday, US markets at all-time high, but we are more than 4% from all-time high. So this time, it is a India-specific selling. So that has happened. So as I told you, it will take time to recover. It's not going to recover overnight or in few days' time. Other than that, today expiry went peacefully. There's no much volatility, no much injection stories. But today is a weekly expiry. So therefore, there is no point in looking at the open interest this and that. So let the open interest being built up tomorrow. Then we will discuss the remaining things. So today evening, I am waiting for Vettayan movie. Indian traders are waiting for TCS results, and then US traders are waiting for US consumer price inflation data. So therefore, tomorrow there may be some nice action, and whether the TCS results are good or not, one thing people dissect, the numbers, the fundamental people, but its reflection will be seen in the Infosys ADR today. So if the TCS results are good, and Infosys ADR will move higher and accordingly. So I have taken some straddle and strangle in TCS today. So let us see whether we are going to make some profit tomorrow or not. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.